Hello everyone and welcome to Sense in Essence. Today we are exploring power of peace. So how do we normally become peaceful? At least here in Finland, people really love to go nature. Because in the nature there is very beautiful, peaceful scenes. It is such a huge contrast to the city life where there is lots of cars going here and there, lots of people running, rushing, so many deadlines, so many tasks. What a contrast. So people go to the nature in order to feel peace. But what happens when they come back to the city? They become stressful again. So how to make that peace so powerful that it stays with me? First of all, I need to be clear what is temporary peace and what is eternal peace, external peace and internal peace. When I am not connected to myself, to my spiritual core being, I feel empty. And then I have a thought. I need peace. I want peace. Where can I become peaceful? And whenever this is the foundation, then it's temporary peace. Because I am searching that peace from this external world. I go to nature, for example, and then I get an experience. Why? Because I use that as a trigger. I'm creating the thoughts. Wow, I love nature. I always feel so calm and cool when I'm here. And these thoughts are creating the feelings inside of me. But then I think, oh no, I have to go back to the city. And then that peace is gone. So, eternal peace is within me. And when I am daily paying attention that I am creating that connection within, with this inner being, this inner peace, those minutes I am spending in experiencing this inner peace, whether I am walking in the beautiful nature or whether I am walking in the city center, I am paying attention that I am peaceful, powerful being. Those moments I am building my peace muscles. And that's eternal peace, because it's internal peace. It is not dependent on external situations. It's not dependent on people. But I am in charge. I am paying attention to my awareness. This is something very, very simple and easy. But knowledge is not enough. Sometimes we are satisfied that I know all of this. But knowledge is never going to change my awareness. Only when I pay attention, when I actively pay attention to my awareness and my thinking, only then inner transformation takes place. So let's stay light, let's stay peaceful, let's come again and again into this amazing awareness. I am peaceful being from the world of peace. I belong to the ocean of peace. and I belong to the family of peaceful beings. Peace is my religion. Peace is my birthright. I am peace. Om Shanti. Om means I am. Shanti, peaceful being. Thank you.